facing overfitting or underfitting in your machine learning models? Your model is either memorizing too much or learns too little? Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it. Let's go. I have already discussed what are the causes of overfitting and underfitting in detailed manner in the previous shorts. So if you have not watched it, then I do recommend watching it. Let's start with a quick recap. So what is overfitting? Overfitting is when the model is too complex and it is memorizing instead of generalizing, and we don't want this scenario with our model. Underfitting happens when our model is too simple and it is failing to capture the patterns in the data. And again, we don't want this scenario in our machine learning application. Our goal is to find a perfect balance and don't want underfitting or overfitting. So how to fix overfitting? There are quite a few ways to fix overfitting. First one is to increase the training data. If your data set is too small, your model can memorize it instead of learning it, so increasing the data could help. Second is to use regularization like L1 and L2 regularization. Third is to use early stopping during training. So you monitor the validation loss and stop the training before the overfitting kicks in. Using data augmentation, if you are doing image classification, then you can add more variations of the same image, and that is what is called as data augmentation. If you're using a tree-based method, then pruning the trees could be one of the options. If you're using a neural network, then dropout layer could help in fixing overfitting. Implementing cross-validation can also help in reducing overfitting, and using simpler model instead of the complex model will help in reducing overfitting. How to fix underfitting? Use more complex models, collect or generate more training data, reduce regularization, which is opposite of to what we were doing for overfitting, and increasing the training time. All of these should help you fix underfitting and overfitting. If you have used any other method to fix either of these problems, then please do drop them in the comment section below. And that's it. Fixing underfitting means adding complexity, while fixing overfitting means reducing it. Balance is the key. Hit like if this helped you, subscribe for more, and drop your questions in the comments.